Insurance glossary definitions is key in your understanding of infinite banking. My name is Darius.
And I'm Carmen.
And we are the founders of Wealth Nation. What we want to talk about today is a few of the key terms that we use in some of our videos. Some of those definitions that we want to make sure that you understand the meaning of, so you can really hone in on your understanding of infinite banking.
So let's get started. The very first term is life insurance. We're breaking this all the way down. So what is life insurance? Life insurance is insurance on your life. So very similar how we buy insurance for our homes, our cars, boats, whatever the case may be, you can buy insurance on your life. So the fact of the matter is, if something were to happen to you, your family gets paid out some cash so that passes to them in case something were to happen to you.
The next one is policy. Your policy is your contract between yourself on your life and with the insurance company. Whatever the insurance company promises to do for you and your family in the event of your unlikely passing, that is guaranteed in your contract, or not guaranteed. That's why when we do infinite banking, we create something called an illustration. What that shows is every single thing that the insurance company is providing for you in that policy, which is your contract with the insurance company.
The next term would be premium. So premium is the payment of the policy. So when you receive an illustration from an insurance agent like Darius and myself, which has the numerical breakdown of how much you have to pay for your contract, you can determine the frequency in which you pay your premium. So the premium can be monthly, it can be quarterly, semi-annually, or annually, just depending on what fits your budget. So the premium is the amount that you pay for the insurance.
That brings us to our next term, cash value. Cash value is the savings component inside your permanent life insurance. Every time you make a premium payment, a portion of that goes towards your cash value. Now, your cash value grows on a tax-free basis, and it's available anytime you want to take a loan against that.
Agreed. So to take it to the next term, that is actually death benefit. Death benefit means that whenever the insured person passes, death benefit is the amount of money that is going to be passed to the beneficiary. Now, the beneficiary is also a term that you should know, which is the person who's receiving the funds. And that is determined by the person who starts the life insurance policy. So if I start a policy, I name my beneficiary as Darius. He is going to be the person who receives the death benefit upon my passing.
Next, we have dividend. Dividend is the overpayment of premium. At the end of the fiscal year, after the insurance company pays all of its overhead, they take that what's left over and they split it amongst the policy owners like me and you.
Now, something to be said about that, the dividend is not guaranteed. So the insurance companies can't always guarantee that there's going to be excess profits to be shared, but a lot of the companies that we've been working with have been paying dividends for over 100 years. And you only receive dividends through mutual insurance companies. Now, what a mutual insurance company means is it's beneficial for both them and us. When we have a policy, we are part owners in that company, are considered policyholders. So those are things to keep in mind.
Right. So if you're a policy owner, you're a part owner of the company. When it comes to a bank, when you're a shareholder, you're part owner of, and you share in the dividends of that company.
Correct. And we don't ever have the opportunity to be shareholders in a bank, so we just become part owners in insurance companies instead. So we hope that some of those definitions help you guys understand insurance a little bit more. We will be coming to you with a part 2 and going a little bit deeper into some of the other terms and terminologies that we use when we talk about life insurance. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube page and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at wealthnation.io.